Get ready to uncover one of Africa's most captivating secrets. We're diving deep into Burundi, a land bursting with breathtaking natural beauty and a heritage so rich, it will leave you spellbound. This incredible country is often called the heart of Africa, and for good reason. Burundi is a destination that's brimming with adventure, culture, and unforgettable experiences. It's a place that's been overlooked by many, but trust me, that's about to change. Prepare to be inspired to explore this vibrant gem. First up, let's talk about Burundi's stunning natural landscapes. These are the places that will truly take your breath away. Lake Tanganyika is an absolute marvel. It's the second deepest lake in the entire world, boasting crystal clear waters and pristine sandy beaches. Imagine swimming in its refreshing depths or simply relaxing by its shores. Then there's Mount Heha, Burundi's highest peak. Reaching its summit rewards you with truly panoramic views that stretch for miles. It's an exhilarating climb for any adventurer. Prepare to be mesmerized by Kibira Falls, a series of stunning cascading waterfalls. The sheer power and beauty of these falls are an unforgettable sight. It's a perfect spot for photography and soaking in nature's grandeur. Rusizi National Park is a wildlife enthusiast's dream. This expansive park is home to diverse animal species, including majestic hippos and formidable crocodiles. It's an incredible opportunity for a true African safari experience. And don't forget the historically significant source of the Nile. Standing at the very beginning of the world's longest river is a profound and humbling experience. It connects you to ancient explorations and geographical wonders. Burundi's culture is as vibrant as its landscapes. Prepare to be fully immersed in its rich traditions and history. The Gishora Drum Sanctuary is a must-visit. Here, you'll witness the awe-inspiring traditional drumming performances by the royal drummers of Burundi. Their rhythmic energy is absolutely captivating and deeply spiritual. Explore the National Museum of Gitega, a treasure trove showcasing Burundi's fascinating history and artistic heritage. You'll discover ancient artifacts, traditional crafts, and learn about the nation's past. It's an educational journey through time. The Central Market of Bujumbura is a bustling sensory experience like no other. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors, sounds, and aromas of local life. It's the perfect place to find unique souvenirs and taste authentic Burundian flavors. Visit the Livingstone Stanley Monument, marking the historic meeting between explorers David Livingstone and Henry Morton Stanley. This site offers a glimpse into a pivotal moment in African exploration. It's a fascinating piece of history. The Royal Palace of Gitega provides a glimpse into Burundi's regal past. Though much of the original structure is gone, the site and its stories offer insight into the ancient Burundian monarchy. It's a place of historical significance. Burundi offers incredible opportunities for relaxation, especially along the shores of Lake Tanganyika. Get ready to unwind in paradise. Saga Beach and Blue Bay are two of the most pristine beaches on Lake Tanganyika. Their soft sands and calm waters are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and simply enjoying the tranquility. These are true lakeside havens. Embark on unforgettable Lake Tanganyika boat trips. Explore hidden coves, discover secluded islands, and witness stunning sunsets over the water. It's an idyllic way to experience the lake's vast beauty. Rusizi National Park, located near the lake, is a haven for birdwatchers. Its wetlands and riverine forests are home to an incredible array of bird species. Bring your binoculars for an unforgettable avian adventure. Burundi's spiritual landscape is rich and diverse, with several significant religious landmarks worth exploring. Cathedral Regina Mundi in Bujumbura is a prominent religious landmark. Its impressive architecture and serene atmosphere make it a significant site for reflection. It stands as a symbol of faith in the capital. The Holy Trinity Cathedral is another beautiful architectural marvel. Its intricate design and peaceful ambience offer a glimpse into the country's religious devotion. It's a place of quiet contemplation. The Islamic Cultural Center and Kigobe Mosque serve as important places of worship and learning. They represent the diverse religious fabric of Burundi. Visitors can appreciate their architectural beauty and cultural significance. For the thrill seekers and nature lovers, Burundi offers a fantastic range of adventure activities. Get ready to explore. Hiking through the lush rainforest of Kibira National Park is an unforgettable experience. Discover diverse flora and fauna, including chimpanzees and various monkey species. The trails offer both challenge and incredible natural beauty. Birdwatching opportunities abound, especially in areas like Rusizi National Park and Kibira National Park. Burundi is a paradise for ornithologists, with many endemic and migratory species. Keep your eyes peeled for colorful and rare birds. A visit to the Teza tea plantation is a beautiful and scenic agricultural experience. Wander through endless rows of vibrant green tea bushes, learn about the tea-making process, and enjoy breathtaking views. It's a tranquil and picturesque setting. Delve into Burundi's past by visiting these significant historical sites that tell the story of the nation. The Monument of Independence stands as a powerful symbol of freedom and national pride. It commemorates Burundi's journey to sovereignty. It's a place for reflection on the nation's history. The Mwezi Gisabo Mausoleum is a significant historical site, honoring one of Burundi's most revered kings. It offers insight into the country's royal lineage and traditional governance. This is a place of deep cultural respect. The Gitega Museum, also known as the National Museum of Gitega, further explores Burundi's history and art. It provides a deeper understanding of the nation's cultural evolution. It's an essential stop for history buffs. Beyond the well-known attractions, Burundi holds some truly spectacular hidden gems waiting to be discovered. The Chutes de la Carrera, another name for the stunning Carrera Falls, are truly a sight to behold. These powerful cascades are nestled in a lush environment, offering a serene escape. It's a natural wonder that captivates all who visit. Explore the beauty of Lake Kahoa and Lake Rihinda. These beautiful lakes offer tranquil settings for relaxation, fishing, and enjoying the peaceful Burundian countryside. They are perfect for a quiet escape. The Bururi Forest Reserve is a beautiful and serene forest, home to unique biodiversity. It's an ideal spot for nature walks, birdwatching, and experiencing Burundi's untouched wilderness. This reserve is a true ecological treasure. Burundi's cities are vibrant hubs of culture, commerce, and daily life. Each offers a unique perspective on the country. Bujumbura, the capital city, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis. Explore its markets, enjoy its lakeside restaurants, and soak in the energetic atmosphere. It's the heart of modern Burundi. Gitega, the second-largest city, offers a blend of historical significance and cultural charm. It's home to the National Museum and provides a more traditional Burundian experience. Gitega is rich in heritage. Don't miss other vibrant cities like Ngozi, Muyinga, and Ruyigi. Each offers its own unique character, local markets, and a chance to connect with Burundian communities. These cities provide authentic local experiences. Are you ready to embark on your own incredible adventure to the heart of Africa? Burundi is calling your name. Start planning your unforgettable Burundi adventure today. Check the video description below for amazing deals and resources to make your trip a reality. We've got everything you need to get started. Find the best hotels and accommodation options to suit every budget and style. Discover flights that will get you to this incredible destination smoothly. Explore attractions and tours that will maximize your experience. Don't forget your travel essentials like eSIMs for connectivity and comprehensive travel insurance for peace of mind. Arrange your transfers and airport services for a hassle-free arrival and departure. Consider trains and buses for an authentic local travel experience. Or, if you prefer, car and bike rentals offer flexibility to explore at your own pace. For a truly luxurious escape, look into cruises on Lake Tanganyika. And for those who love convenience, check out our package tours that bundle everything you need for an amazing Burundian journey. Burundi is waiting for you to discover its magic.